Okay guys, hopefully by now you might have guessed what relative absolute style will do, but anyway I'll just demonstrate it quickly. So on this cell, say we apply the formula a1 plus b1 and enter, and now I'll just make this reference relative absolute. The way to do is hit F4, it's absolute type, so again hit F4. Now it's relative absolute type, and that is what we are looking for. So what it means is relative a relative 1 plus relative b absolute 1. So it means that the row 1 in the second argument, or the second argument in sum, is fixed. So no matter where you go, the row 1 in the second argument of sum will remain the same, or is absolute. We will just quickly look how it is responding to different set of cells. Okay, here what we have is a1 plus b1. Here what we have a7 plus b1. You can see that even though this 7 was relative, so as we came down along the column D, the input also came down along the column A. But since this row 1 reference was absolute, it is not going to move down at all or move up. It might move left and right because the column reference is relative. You can check it over here. It did move right as the cell on which the formula is applied moved right, but the row number is still 1, and it is fixed there. There is no way that it is going to move anywhere. That is what an absolute reference is.